Cheese.
Okay. Ava surprise eggs. There you go. What's in the surprise eggs today?
Cheese.
Open it. What is it?
Snack.
What is it?
Snacks.
Snacks.
I'll open this one.
Okay. What color is that?
Blue.
Pink.
There's more snacks. Wow. I want to open the orange one.
Okay.
Just a lot of those. I want to open this one.
What color is that?
Blue.
Yellow.
Whoa!
What is it?
Snacks. I'm gonna take them all.
Okay, open it one more. What is it?
It's a snack.
Okay, what color is the egg?
Blue.
Purple.
Purple. There's more snacks in it.
Wow. Okay, let me see. Let's count your snacks, okay? 1,
2,
3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9,
Oh, they're all messing up.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 snacks.
Now can we have some?
Eat them. Is it good?